Hi guys, and I want to show you what I'm going to plant in my garden this year. So I already have some seeds planted. These guys are tomatoes. Um, these 12 at the top are going to be the regular beefsteak tomatoes. And then the 3 down here, they're going to be these cherry tomatoes. Because you always get a lot of cherry tomatoes. And then other things that I have growing are I started an avocado seed, and then this guy is a little Christmas cactus. Is I propagated it from my big one. I'll show you here in a second. And then I have a little tiny pine tree. And then here is my Christmas cactus. It's currently flowering. I got quite a few flower buds. And then my pathros. And then to show you what I want to plant this year, I got regular zucchinis, summer squash, carrots, cucumbers, and then I want to plant flowers, morning glories, and then these cute little cypress vine flowers. And then I got lettuce seeds, snow peas, and then I'll probably won't plant all these guys because I have a bunch of tomato plants already. But I want to plant eggplant, some of the peppers, and then probably all of the garden peas so I can can them. And I want to attempt canning for the first time by myself this year. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. And I hope you enjoy this quick little video. I'll see you next time. Bye.